So hey guys, welcome back to Lindsay's Lunches, and today I'll be showing you my slime haul. So I just got this big package off of Amazon. You guys literally, look at how big that box is. Anyways, so something did explode because I did get beads and they exploded inside the box, if you can see that. But to me, it's okay because I don't really care, but yeah. So let's get started. So first I have Elmer's glue, so clear glue. So I've been wanting clear glue, and yeah, so I've had it before, but this was only $7.56 on Amazon, and that's pretty good. And this is 32 ounces. Next I have this acrylic paint set. So this is to dye my slime. So this is by H&B. I forgot how much it was, but I think I got it for a pretty good deal. I think it was like $10. Oh, jeez. Some woman at my mom's school, this camera might not be that steady just because a woman at my mom's work that she works with has my tripod for something, so she has it. So yeah, so this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different colored paints, and this was only $10. So yeah. But the paint's really gold, so yeah. So then I got this pink food coloring. Sorry you guys, my sister just made a bagel. This doesn't really look pink though. Oh wait, now it does. But it's because this didn't come with pink, and I totally forgot that I was, when I got food dye, I totally forgot that I was ordering paints, so yeah. Next, I got 50 deli containers. Doesn't look like any of these are cracked, which is really good. So yeah. And then besides the beads, last but not least, I got Pearl-Ex. So I've been wanting Pearl-Ex for a while. So I'm gonna put you guys in the box while I unpackage this. And I just never got around to it because, yeah, because it was kind of expensive. Oh, it's pigment. So I got pink gold, which is basically like rose gold. I'm gonna open this. Oh jeez, I'm so excited. Oh, of course, it has the peel when you get to the exciting part. Wow. So let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I just love it so much. So yeah. So then I got these all of these rainbow colored beads. I'm just gonna dump them all out. So they said there were 1,000. Tell me, you guys, do you think that looks like 1,000 beads? I personally don't, but yeah. So, you guys, so now I'm gonna unpackage everything. So yeah, so I have no scissors. Well, I couldn't find scissors. I know I have scissors somewhere in my house. So I'm gonna be using a knife. Probably isn't the best alternative, but yeah. So I'm gonna have these. Oh wait, no. Sorry. Well, I unpackaged these containers. Oh, jeez. You guys, these are so heavy. So I'm just gonna take out one container because there's a lot. Oh, wait. Oh, jeez. So the problem is, so these are the lids. They look really nice. They put all the lids on top and all the containers at the bottom. So I have to get from the lids to the containers. Oh, but where did the containers start here? So these are the containers. So I got the containers like these last time I ordered containers, and they were really nice, and I'm glad I had ordered them because they're so good. And I'm almost out of contact lens solution, so my dad's picking that up for me on his way home from work. Not like you guys care. Oh my God, there's beads everywhere. Oh my God, you guys, there's beads everywhere. So, yeah, so that's that. So they must have put 25 containers because there's two sides. So they must have put 25 containers and 25 lids on each side. So that's great. Because there's 50 containers in total, so. So guys, I'll show you how big these containers are. So they're that big. They're 16-ounce containers. I don't know why I wanted to get 16. I don't know why I wanted to get 16-ounce containers. I know, I'm so great. That was like, I don't think I'm gonna be making 50 more slimes because I already have. I already have 13 slimes. So these are the acrylic paints. They're really nice. And then this is just the food dye. Hope this isn't like bad. Oh, no wonder why there's a seal on it. I bet. Oh. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love ya. Bye.